Thank you for speaking to us, sir. Your key takeaways from this event that Phillip Capital has organized about the agricultural conference?
First of all, it's a excellent opportunity for me to interact with the investors community, and their interest in agro sector has actually emerging is coming up very fast. It's an opportunity for me to represent my organization in how agrochemical companies they are performing, and how the long-term perspective of the agrochemical industry is going to emerge. So it's a very good forum for me to share with them my views about this industry. I have been associated with this industry for last 3 decades. So I see there is a huge opportunity, and this industry will definitely give a good investment returns to the, especially company like those who are very strong into the having good manufacturing base, can give a very good returns to the investor community. So it's an opportunity for me to share with them the sectors, how it is performing.
Right. So we now see that the government is trying hard or coming up with initiatives to make sure that the farmers, for instance, their income increases by many folds. How does your company fit into it? What plans do you all have which will help in this initiative?
The majority of our revenue is coming from the brands which we are, we are selling it to the farmers directly. So we have a 700 odd people in the field. Those who are educating the farmers about the technology, what bringing it to them. So without creating that level of awareness or making them understand about the benefits of the technology, so that brings the farmers a substantial benefits. End of the day, we wanted to see that whatever the products they are using, they give a very multiple returns to the farmer. So we are very closely associated with the farmers in educating them, creating awareness, and at the same time we are equally very conscious about the environmental, protecting the environment. So in all of these 3 fronts, Insecticides India Limited is playing a very active role.
What is your medium to long-term outlook, sir, for your sector?
Today we are a 1,000 crore company, and majority of our income is revenue is generated from the domestic business. We have also ventured into the international business from last year, FY 15-16, and we have a plan to be around next by 2020 we would like to reach around 2,000 crore organization. For that, we are also venturing into the business of biological pesticides, agrochemical, domestic. We would like to add certain new products. Thereby, we wanted to increase the revenue. And also business also, we are expecting substantial from the overseas business.
Right. So what is your current exposure to the overseas market?
Overseas business, we started, as I said, actually from the last year only. So currently, we did last year 10 crores. We expect to do around 20 crores this year. But this, apart from the overseas business, what you required is the registration requirements.
Right.
So we are investing heavily in the registrations for getting entry into the many markets, overseas markets, Europe, or I will say the developed market. So their regulatory requirements are very, very heavy. And we just started last year, but couple of countries we already entered into and we are making our brands, we are selling in terms of under our brands also in couple of countries. So taking into this trend, we feel that Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East markets, we will get the first entry, followed by the markets like Europe, America, and Latin American markets.
Right, right. What kind of innovations are you all trying to work on, sir?
We have a 2 types of strategy. One is we have a very strong manufacturing base. So we are based upon the patent available with the different products. We are in-house developing new molecules. One of the molecule, a very new technology, new generation molecule we launched this year, and we got a very big success this year in the market. On the similar line, we are bringing the new technology, off-patented technology. We are in-housing developing the processes for those products, and we wish to bring those products at an affordable price to the farmers. This is one strategy. We are also having the co-licensing arrangement with many Japanese, American companies. So they wish to use our very vast infrastructure in terms of retailers. We have more than 16,000 retailers. We have 5,000 distributors, more than 5,000 distributors on pan-India basis. And so this new technology available with the many original R&D companies, they would like to use our as a partner for developing these molecules in the India. So like that we have a association with the Nissan or the Nippon Soda and MVAC. So and this list is growing.
Sure.
So the many foreigners, they are very keen to associate with us. So this is, in this way we would like to bring a portfolio of products which will meet every requirement of the farmers, and all of our products are very unique in nature. We as I said that we have 700 people in the market. They educate the farmers and they are very closely associated in educating them. So that leaves a very lasting impression of the organization. So we are not in the process of just selling the product, but we are in the process of educating and creating awareness about using the product.
Awareness is key in all
areas,
sectors, yes.
Yes.
Last question, and I can't let you go without asking your expectations from the upcoming budget specific to the agri sector and your own agrochem
I
sector.
think that the budget will definitely have a very big impact on the agriculture, because agriculture today, almost 55% of the population is dependent on. So we expect in terms of post-harvest technology, in terms of some kind of direct subsidy to the farmers, crop insurance especially, and GST will have a substantial effect on the farmers. The inputs are available to the farmers at a very reasonable price actually, and this is going to be a game changer for the agricultural community.
Sure. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Thank you very much.